everyone, it's Milky. Welcome back to my channel. First, a piece of news. I am clearly in a new space because I have moved. I got my own apartment. I'm going to grad school, so I'm in a different city, so consequently a different place. And for now I'm gonna film here in front of this cabinet of cute things, but I might move that later on. I'm gonna do an apartment tour at some point once everything is set up, but for now you can just enjoy the cute space behind me. But boring stuff aside, today I come to you with a Sanrio haul. Since I was moving apartments, well, from a house to an apartment, I decided to get some Sanrio stuff for my new place to make it cute. So I actually have two orders of stuff in here. I bought some things and then I saw some other things that I wanted, so I ended up ordering those as well. Not everything in here is like strictly home stuff. I do have some indulgent, cute purchases in here. And so I thought I would share them. It's a very big box, so I'm excited. I don't remember absolutely everything that I have in here, but I have a fair bit of stuff, so I'm excited to see it. So much cute stuff. Alright, I'm gonna just take things out in the order that they have here. The first thing I got is from a collection which I found, which I thought was the cutest thing ever, with a character that I really like, who I think is a bit underrated, and that is Kogimune. They released this really adorable collection that kind of makes me think of Valentine's Day, even though it's like September now. The collection had this adorable like Kogimune with like bows and strawberries and hearts, and so I fell in love with this plushie when I saw it, and I just had to get it. She's super nice and soft and fluffy. She has a sort of like different texture from regular Sanrio plushies, which is nice. It's less so furry and more so just like fluff, kind of like fleece, but fluffier. I don't think it really matters, but she's very adorable. She's holding a little heart cushion, has her little shrimpy friend next to her with a little bow on his back, and then, oh, the tag is adorable. It's like a milk carton, I just noticed that. But she also comes with a teeny tiny strawberry. I'm not really sure where you put it. Oh, there's like a pocket at the back of the heart, so you can stick it in there. Oh, that's really cute. She's very adorable. I loved this collection. I like Kogimune in general. I think she's adorable, and so when I saw that they had a new collection with stuff, I had to get her. Next up is an item from the same collection, and that's this cushion. I think I might put this on my desk chair or maybe on my bed. It's just like a big heart cushion with a little ruffle around the edge. It says Kogimune, has the little shrimpy man in front of here. I think it's such a cute and random detail, so I really like it. I think it's adorable. And then on the back we've got a little gingham print with Kogimune holding the heart, basically the plushie. And then here we have like a little angel-y type thing. This is definitely super Valentine's Day themed. I don't know why they released it now, but I'm not complaining because it's really cute and the pillow's nice and soft, so I'm probably going to put this on my desk chair. It'll be really cute. And then next up is, I think, the last item that I got from this collection. There were a lot of cute things, but I think I got only 3 things, and that's this cute little gingham pouch. Oh wait, yeah, it's gingham on the top, but here it's just plain. I'm going to use this for makeup because it just seems like it'll be cute for that. Maybe. I don't know what I'll really do with it. I kind of saw it and purchased it impulsively, but I think it's really cute and you can never have too much storage, so I'll find something for this. But it's really adorable. It has little like heart charms on the zipper. I'll show close up so you can probably see that a bit better. And again, just like a pale pink base with Kogimune on here. On the back there's her like doing makeup kind of messily, which I think is cute. At the bottom there's her with a mirror, so it's just really adorable. Let's see if it's interesting inside. On the inside we've just got like a pale pink satin, but there are some containers on the sides for you to put things in, so this will be a really useful pouch for, I guess, makeup. Next up I've got a little storagey type container. Oh, it's really cute and bigger than I expected. Sorry, everything's wrapped up like super intensely, so it takes a little while to unwrap. But it's just this little plastic container that has Kiki and Lala with a sort of carnival theme on it. Yeah, it's just useful for putting stuff in, and maybe I'll keep stationery or other such things in this. In a similar vein, there's also a smaller version of it, which I got, and I will show you now. I'm not going to take them out yet, I'll show close-ups, but it's basically a set of 2 boxes which are smaller. They're identical and they like stack perfectly on top of this, so it'll be nice for storing multiple layers of things. But yeah, they had different character versions of this, but I love Kiki and Lala, so of course I got Kiki and Lala. So this will be useful for storing stuff on my desk. I actually have a desk in this room, which is lovely. Next up, we've got a bit of a pointless but still rather cute thing. It's just this little Kiki and Lala slot machine type figure, but it has washi tape in it, so it's actually kind of useful. I didn't particularly care for the actual washi tapes in it since they're like watery themed, but I just really like the actual design of this box, and I might put some different washi tapes in there if I can figure out how to remove this. But I just thought that it was really cute, and you can even move the handle to rotate them, so it's adorable. I mostly got it as decor, but it has some functionality as well. Next up are two storagey type things, and that's this Cinamoroll box, kind of. It's a bit flimsier than I thought it would be, but that's fine. It's made of like a tarp type material, but you can unfold it and it becomes a little storage box. I'll put like wigs and stuff in this, maybe cosplays. I have some like shelving area in my closet, so I thought it would be useful for that to kind of organize things a little bit better. But it just has Cinamoroll on it with like gumball machines and phones, which is cute. I also got a My Melody version, here it is, with cherries and My Melody bows on it. So this will be cute and useful for storage. Next up is a bit of a silly little pointless thing, and that is a hamper. This is very small. I think it's meant for toys, but I got it to put like clothes in. It's big enough to fit a good amount of my things. I kind of got it just for the sake of like more delicate things that I'm washing, so like Lolita stuff and such. So it's just really cute, really adorable. It has a lot of different Sanrio characters on it. Next I got this cute little My Melody and Piano the Sheep schedule book, just so that I can keep track of all the stuff that I need to do since I'm going back to school this year, and I need to keep track of like due dates and stuff, so cute, sturdy. I also got this lovely little acrylic Cinamoroll wall calendar, or not wall calendar, it's like a stand calendar. So it's an acrylic stand and then you can like put in the date paper, so cute. I also got this My Melody clear file folder. It's made of a sort of like jelly-like plasticky material. I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but that's okay. I'll use this for like important documents and such. I also got a really cute Kiki and Lala stamp set, which is being covered up by a sticker right now. Let me take this off. There we go. They're just really cute. I don't know what I'll use this for, and I need to get like actual ink, stamp ink for this, but I thought they would be the cutest little decor pieces. And then lastly was a bit of a pointless purchase, but I thought it was cool. These small sugar wafers, you can use them to decorate your food. I don't really know how to use them, but I'll figure it out. So that's basically everything that I got. I thought there was one more thing, and I'm a bit embarrassed because I like started freaking out that it didn't come, but turns out that I didn't order it. I thought I did. I don't know how that happened, but I looked through my like order history and it just wasn't there, so that was just an oversight on my part, but I'm a bit sad because it was like a really cute Cinamoroll curtain that I could have put above my door, so maybe I'll get it in the future, but like that's just an error on my part, luckily, and not an actual issue with the package. So that small issue aside, I'm really happy with everything that I got, and all the storage items will definitely be very useful because I have a lot of stuff and I need to organize it. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what your favorite item was. I really adore the Kogimune plushie and also the tiny hamper, even though it's maybe not the most practical, but I love it and the design is just adorable, so it's perfect for me. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a lovely, lovely day.